Listening, Unit 9, page 114, B. 1.
I've started a course on green technology at my local college, but I don't think it's right for me, really. It's aimed at people who want to become professionals. And I just wanted to learn about good technology to use at home.
2.
I'd like a mountain bike for my birthday, but they're quite expensive and I want to try one out first. Luckily, my cousin says I can test his to see if I like it.
3.
Oh, why are these new gadgets so complicated? It says that it's an energy-saving device, but it won't be using any energy at all if I can't understand how to switch it on.
4.
At school, they tell us how important science and technology are, and they want more girls to study these subjects. I'm really interested in them, and our school takes us to a really good exhibition every year where you can interact with the new technology. It's great!
5.
I made a model boat last year. It was pretty cool. It was powered by a battery and controlled by a remote control. Until I crashed it. I want to make a solar-powered one this time.
Listening,